Hello learners, in today's video we will listen to the story of a legend. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Albert Einstein, the man who changed science. Albert Einstein was not just a scientist. He was a thinker, a dreamer, and a man who saw the universe differently from everyone else. Born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, he grew up as a curious child who loved asking questions. Surprisingly, he was slow to speak as a child, and some people even thought he wasn't very smart. But deep inside, his mind was always at work, trying to understand how the world around him functioned. A curious mind, Einstein wasn't a fan of traditional schooling. He disliked strict rules and memorization, but he loved math and physics. When he was 16, he started thinking about what it would be like to ride a beam of light. This simple thought led to ideas that would later change the world. After struggling to find a job as a scientist, he ended up working at a patent office in Switzerland. But even there, his mind never stopped. In 1905, he published 4 groundbreaking papers that shook the scientific world. This year is now called his miracle year. Among these papers, one introduced the famous equation E=mc², showing that energy and mass are connected in ways people had never imagined. The theory that changed everything. In 1915, Einstein presented his general theory of relativity, which explained how gravity works in a completely new way. Instead of seeing it as an invisible force pulling objects, he described it as a bending of space and time caused by massive objects like planets and stars. This idea was confirmed a few years later during a solar eclipse, making Einstein an international celebrity. More than just a scientist, Einstein was more than a genius, he was also a man of strong beliefs. When World War II began, he wrote a letter to President Roosevelt, warning that Germany might develop an atomic bomb. This led to the Manhattan Project, though Einstein himself never worked on the bomb. Later, he became an advocate for peace, warning the world about the dangers of nuclear weapons. A legacy that lives on. Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, but his ideas continue to shape modern science. His way of thinking, questioning everything and imagining the impossible, still inspires scientists, students, and dreamers today. He once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." And perhaps that's what made him truly special. Not just his intelligence, but his ability to see beyond the ordinary and into the mysteries of the universe. Hope you all will learn something new. If you like my video and if you think this video will help you even 1%, then comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.